Hello, my friends. So glad you could join me. Christmas is just around the corner, and so today we're going to be looking at some Christmas gift ideas for family, friends, and co-workers. And to be sure to see the other videos in my Christmas series, please remember to hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell. Now we're going to go ahead and get right into it. So the first item that we're looking at today is a vibration foot massager with heat. And there are different brands available, but this is the one that I got and I was so happy to receive it. And I'm going to show you how it works. You just have it plugged in, turn it on right here, and your feet start getting a nice massage. You press it one more time and it brings the heat on. And you can see it showing right there that it's heating up. And so your feet will be properly relaxed. And you also have these here for pressure points on your feet that also help in the healing process of your body. If you know anything about reflexology, then this comes into play here. And these also help in a similar situation. Now they do recommend that you wear socks with it. If you can see from the picture right here, they don't want you to have shoes on, of course. And they prefer that you have socks on than just being barefooted. So a gift idea like this one here is really nice. It comes with socks that are scented, and this smells so good. It's so soft, plushy, very comfy. And then you have the foot cream. This one is eucalyptus aloe that goes on there. So you can look at different flavors that are on there as far as whatever creams you want to get, depending on what's being offered. It says pamper your hooves, so hopefully the person has a good sense of humor and they'll see that you're really just trying to help them. So that's as far as getting those tired feet relaxed when they get home after work. So let's take a look at the next set of items. We're now in the category of our tea drinkers, hot beverages. And this is a very nice tea set that was given to me. Very, very wonderful. I appreciated it so much. And some of them are a little pricey. You know, there are different ranges that you can look at depending on what's in your budget. But definitely worth considering if you have a tea drinker that you're trying to get something nice for. And if you're not able to get them a tea set, then maybe just a collection of the teas themselves. And there are different brands out there. You can just, look them up online and see what's available. And this just helps them to relax at home with family, with a set, or even by themselves. It just depends. So what if they're not a tea drinker? Then you have the option of getting hot chocolate combos or even coffee combos. There are different brands that are available depending on what they prefer, if you've heard them mention it. But who can go wrong with hot chocolate, especially on a cold winter evening? So definitely something to bear in mind. And now we're going to take a look at the next category. Ladies, I know you love these, and the other ladies out there will love them too. This one is Winterberry Wonder. This is a category of body creams, hand lotions, and you can also get shower gels as well. And this one is the Winterberry Wonder flavor. It smells so good. Oh my goodness. Love it, love it, love it. Of course, you can choose different brands. It just depends on what, figure the person's preference might be. Japanese cherry blossom. I love this one too. It smells so good. The only time this might not work if the person has very sensitive skin, so they can take like strong fragrances and strong colors, like dyes that go in there, because, we have to always be mindful of that. And if that's the case, then you'll have to go for, different types. But these, if they're not in that category, they pretty much will definitely love these. So let's take a look and see what next we have. So who can say no to a nice fluffy bathrobe? This is like a warm hug when you come in on a cold winter evening. I was so happy when I received this. Of course, there are different brands, there are different colors, just depending on what you think the person's preference might be. And to pair it up along with that, you can get things like, loofahs, sponges for bath time. You have like different types of mud masks that you can get. And you can always, get a little basket and put them together for the person if you're, crafty like that. Or you could just buy them and put them in a nice little gift bag for them. Here you see the energy bomb, the bath bomb, and they just put that in there and they can soak up. You can put a small little candle in there. They can put that off to the side and just take a nice soak and relax. And we also have another type of mask here again. It says Dead Sea Minerals. So definitely this will make a luxurious bath time. It's going to be enjoyable. And if they're into music and you have, music type things that you can get for them, then definitely go for that as well. So everything, is really tied together. And we'll take a look at the next category to see what we have. Speaking of candles, let's take a look at a couple of candles here. Most people will like these, and there are different types that you can get. This one, it says, "Dream until your dreams come true." So very true. And it smells so good. So definitely an option there. This cute little box just adds a little extra touch to it. For a more masculine person, this might be a good idea. The fragrance is balsam and cedar. A little bit more, masculine, more manly, just depends. Or if somebody is really like into nature a lot, then this will definitely work for them. And of course, this one here, it says Joy of Peppermint. Always a winner. Definitely puts you in the Christmas mood. This gets lit in your house and the whole house smells so nice. So definitely worth considering. And these can just be stocking stuffers too. They don't necessarily have to be like a large gift that you're giving to someone. And let's see what we have next. So the next category will be items that they can use on their workstation. And, nice picture frames. There are so many different options that are out there. They could put pictures of their family or their friends. And it always brings a smile to your face when you can look on your desk and you can have really good memories of times past. And of course, hope for the future. So that's as far as picture frames. Some of them are electronic, and they can switch out and, rotate the pictures. It just depends on your price range. So that's the first thing that we're looking at. Then you can get like a succulent. These are easy to care for, and some of them are actually ear shipped. Like this one was ear shipped to me. And so, if you're not able to see the person, you can actually have it go in the mail and they can get it that way. They're fairly low maintenance. So if they say they don't have a green thumb, then this might be a good option for them. And I do a lot of gardening topics, so you can definitely subscribe and you can follow along with me, to see future videos on that, as well as some of them that I've done in the past. This right here is an orchid. It's not in bloom right now, but orchids are always a plus for most people, on their workstation. This one has a new little leaf coming out. I'm so happy. I know it's going to be blooming really soon. So that's as far as the plants go. Also, too, you have the option of calendars. There are different types of calendars depending on what they like. It can be one that can be placed on the wall like this one, or it could be the ones that stand on the desk. But either way, it's going to help them to organize and will definitely be appreciated. It has beautiful pictures too, so that actually helps to lift the mood. Of course, you have different categories. If they love cars, they love paintings, sunsets, tropical islands, they're all different types available. So definitely a good idea. I would never say no to something like that. And now let us take a look at the next category of items. So if they are living in a cold area, then hats and scarves are always a good choice. It's pretty safe because you don't have to worry that it might not fit the person. You don't know what their size is. You may not want to ask. These are pretty much one size fits all. So they work for pretty much everyone. And, you could choose different colors, red and white, maybe a little bit more, Christmas-like than this one. It just depends. And this, just offers that extra protection, for having fun on the weekends or just for going into work. But either way, this will definitely be appreciated. And of course, you can always gift yourself. This is not just about gifts for others. You can gift yourself too. So let's take a look at the next category. So we're on to the final category, which would be gift cards. So if you're still not sure at this point what you may get for them, then there are some choices right here. It could be like, store cards that you can get. It could be for dining, whether like for a quick lunch for them, or it could be a case where, like larger dining houses, you can get them cards from there, like to the movies. You can get like cards that they can use at the mall. So there are many different types that you can choose from. And of course, it depends on your price range. It's really been a pleasure hosting these gifts. They brought me so much joy, and I know that they will do the same for other people out there. So thanks again. Enjoy the holidays. Merry Christmas. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care.